Hello guys, I'm back again. This is a project that I'm going to do is to refresh the frame of this picture frame, and it has that inside, so I want a better color, so I was thinking to use a blue color around the frame since I can't take it off. I just want it to look much better. Now what I want to do is I want these patterns to stick out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use silver paint and just dry brush it on top so the patterns can stick out. Okay guys, this is how the frame came out, and this is when I mounted on the wall. Looks great. So don't forget to subscribe and push that like button. Thank you, and I see you on the other project that I will have next time. But this project came out nice.